Hello everyone, this is Charles Hurt with First Auto Credit and Paddleking Boats. Today I have another 2021 Paddleking LoPro Cruiser floor plan number 1. I'm going to show you guys it's a burgundy and charcoal color combination, which gives you a gray interior. I'm going to cover a couple things. Of course, we have a powder coated black trailer. That's what we prefer here. This is a full gate. I'm going to do a quick walk around, then we'll go inside here. It's a full gate. On this one we have a storage box, of course, and then on the other side we have the sun lounger and live well combination here. And then full helm. On the floor plan number 1, it's similar to the 2. It has a connected bench seat here, and then a rear exit that allows you to get out of the rear of the boat to your 3-step ladder. And I'll take that out to show you how long that guy actually is. That allows you to help get you back out of the water. It's really great if you're a family that has little kids, or a couple grandparents with grandkids, things like that, and you want to have a boat that's more for entertaining, less so for fishing. You always have the option of fishing with a Paddleking boat because they all come standard with a live well. If you're not a fisherman at all and you just want to have a good time, I'll open this up here. This allows you to have a cooler. So instead of being a live well, this actually will be a cooler. You take that little plug there. It's a drain, PVC drain. You stick in the hole. It actually measures your water level. You stick that in there, fill it with ice, fill it with drinks, sandwiches, whatever you have, and you have an onboard cooler. On the floor plan 1, you have the corner seats here that also double as storage, so you can put whatever you want underneath on both sides. And then you have another storage box here, and I have the bimini cover and mooring cover in this one as well. You have rod holders that come standard on both sides, 4 total. They're a vertical mount. I just wanted you guys to actually look at this floor plan, because a lot of people have questions on the floor plans. I'm trying to help mitigate those questions, giving you a video source to actually reference. Now, on the interior stylings of the boat, this is something I wanted to touch on. It's a very good balance of the burgundy and charcoal. So you actually have the charcoal here, burgundy here. I like this little transition from charcoal to burgundy, burgundy, charcoal, burgundy. It's a very good transition, and of course the helm is balanced out as well, because symmetry is honestly half the battle. So get outside of here. I've talked about this in previous videos. I'm going to talk about it again in this one. You have a woven vinyl floor that's padded, and so when you're barefoot you can feel that on your feet. Wearing shoes, of course you can feel it, but not as much there. The navigation lights on the 2021s. These are I call them retro, I may be wrong. They're LED, but they're like a retro mod lighting. They give a good look to the boat. I'll go them down the side so you can see the actual trim here. I just want you guys to get a good look of what I have in stock right now. All these boats can be equipped how you want them. We have a list of options that you can choose from. It's just a phone conversation / email conversation away from getting it done. I offer 20 horsepower Tohatsu engines or 9.9s, along with an electric option, which we have chose the Minn Kota E-Drive. We've had pretty good success with the Minn Kota E-Drive. It's not a fast option as far as electric goes, but it is good for those HOAs and things that you're not allowed to have gasoline engines on. So this will fit most HOA regulation, equipped with an E-Drive. With a gasoline option, you can take it to almost any lake in a 9.9 configuration, and then with a 20 horse configuration, you can haul more people and things of that nature. There is performance data available on Paddleking's website. They're actually, all the performance data is done with a Nissan 20 horse, but that is an available content for you to look at. to get actual data, GPS data on how quick these boats are. This is a floor plan, #1 Paddleking LoPro cruiser, Burgundy and Charcol. And we like the gray interior, the brown interiors. We like the darker colored interiors. The white is very nice, but it's just difficult to keep clean. So we try to order convenient boats for easy storage. Every single boat that you buy from us will have a mooring cover with it. We'll have a bimini top. You can build it mild to wild, just depending on what you want. So this is Charles at First Auto Credit. If you have questions, of course, you can email me, charles@firstautocredit.com, or you can call the main line, 573-204-7777. Ask for Charles or the boat guy. Then we can have a good conversation, get you a boat put together for you and your family. Get an interior shot here. We do have the option, I do want to touch on this, we do have the option of adding a table in the center here. So that way it's a removable table, it's not permanent. You can remove it, the base plate will stay in its spot. But that allows you to have a more of an entertaining style boat. This is a slow walk through here. Thank you so much for viewing this video. If you have further questions, please email me, please call me. We're at First Auto Credit in Jackson, Missouri. Thank you so much. Have a great day.